If you want your writing to look better, do some handwriting practice and make sure you are forming the letters using the right movement. This can be easier if you practice small groups of letters together. So I'm going to show you the letters C, O, A, D, G and Q. We're not going to do it in A, B, C order. We're going to do these letters together because they all start with the same movement that's round in an anti-clockwise direction. All these letters start like the C. So practice the C first, starting at the top and going round. And notice that when you're writing small letters, when you're writing a small letter C, it should only be about halfway up the line. This would be a capital letter C. We're going to focus on small letters, okay? But some of the small letters are taller than the line and some hang down, so that's something else to look out for. And it's another way of grouping the letters, which later you could practice so that you're doing small letters together and tall, small letters together and the ones that hang down together. But let's start with this because of the circular movement. So once you're happy with your C's, the next stage is to join it right up and turn it into an O. That shouldn't be too difficult. But the other ones are a little bit more tricky. So with the A, start like you're doing a C, join it up like an O, but keep it a little straighter and come back down. So the shape is very slightly different from an O, but it's the same movement. Mine are not all very good, don't worry if it takes a bit of practice. Okay, but always the same direction and try to do it all in one movement. I'm starting to make a little flick at the end. If you want to do that, that helps if you want to start joining your letters up later on. The D is basically the same as an A, but it goes a bit taller. It goes almost to the top of the line. So start like a C, turn it into an A, but keep going up before you come back down. Now I see lots of people doing Ds differently. I'm guilty of that as well, but if you do sort of do that, not only will it not look so good, but it will be much harder to start joining up your writing if you want to start joining and writing more fluently and quickly. So try to start like a C, turn it into an A, carry on up before you come back down. G is similar, but it doesn't go up, it carries on down. Start like a C, turn it into an A, but keep going down. And it curls around at the bottom. Okay, and finally Q, again not so different from that, starts the same, goes down, but kicks up this way instead of curling around. So practice those. If you have any difficulties with the formation of any of those letters, practice them all together as a group and then watch another video to practice a different group.